Welcome to our journey through the enchanting landscapes of Scotland, where history and nature intertwine to create a destination unlike any other. From the rugged highlands to the serene lochs, join us as we explore the top places you must visit in this land of legends and beauty. Whether you're a history enthusiast, nature lover, or simply seeking adventure, Scotland has something special for you. Edinburgh Castle. Perched majestically atop Castle Rock, an ancient volcanic plug in the heart of Scotland's capital, Edinburgh Castle is a towering symbol of Scottish resilience and pride. This historic fortress, with origins tracing back to the 12th century, has witnessed many of the defining moments of Scottish history. It has served as a royal residence, military garrison, and prison through the centuries. Today, it houses the honors of Scotland, the Scottish crown jewels, and the Stone of Destiny, used in the coronation of Scottish rulers. Its imposing presence offers breathtaking panoramic views over Edinburgh, making it a must-see for anyone interested in Scotland's turbulent past and architectural beauty. Isle of Skye. The Isle of Skye, floating on the western fringes of Scotland, is a mesmerizing blend of rugged mountains, velvet moors, and jagged coastline. It's a place where the Old Man of Storr, the Queering, and the Killen Range create a landscape so dramatic it often feels otherworldly. The island's rich Gaelic heritage and the remnants of medieval castles tell tales of ancient feuds and folklore. Skye is not just a haven for outdoor enthusiasts, but a canvas for photographers and a muse for artists. From the charming harbor town of Portree to the haunting beauty of the Trotternish Ridge, Skye captivates all who visit with its natural and cultural treasures. Loch Ness. Nestled in the Scottish Highlands, Loch Ness stretches over 23 miles, making it the largest body of freshwater by volume in the UK. Famous worldwide for the myth of Nessie, the Loch Ness Monster, this deep, dark loch is surrounded by myths and mysteries. However, beyond the legend lies a region rich in history, with ruins like Urquhart Castle dotting its shores, offering glimpses into Scotland's medieval past. The Great Glencoe runs along the lake, providing hikers and cyclists with stunning views of the Highland scenery. Whether you're here for the lore or the landscape, Loch Ness holds a special allure, inviting exploration both on its waters and around its picturesque shores. Glencoe. Glencoe is a monumental valley in the Highlands of Scotland, renowned for its breathtaking beauty, tragic history, and geological marvels. The dramatic deep-cut valleys and towering mountains were formed from ancient volcanic eruptions and glaciations. These landscapes tell stories of geological time, but the valley is also steeped in human history, most notably the massacre of Glencoe in 1692, where members of the MacDonald clan were tragically killed. Today, Glencoe is a sanctuary for climbers, hikers, skiers, and those who seek the peace of wild places. Stirling Castle. Positioned strategically on Stirling Sill, a quartz dolerite crag, Stirling Castle is one of Scotland's grandest castles, with a history that stretches back to at least the early 12th century. It overlooks the plains of the River Forth, a vital crossing point in the nation's wars for independence. The castle has been the site of sieges, royal dramas, and the childhood home of Mary Queen of Scots. It stands as a testament to Scotland's tumultuous past and enduring strength. The Royal Mile. The Royal Mile is the pulsating heart of Edinburgh's Old Town, a historic artery stretching from the imposing Edinburgh Castle at one end to the regal palace of Holyrood House at the other. This ancient thoroughfare is flanked by a warren of narrow alleyways known as closes and wynds, leading to hidden courtyards and secret gardens. The Mile is a treasure trove of history, hosting landmarks such as Giles Cathedral with its famed crown spire, the hauntingly beautiful Greyfriars Kirkyard, and the vibrant Writers' Museum. Orkney Islands. Off the northeastern tip of Scotland, the Orkney Islands emerge from the North Sea as if stepping stones to the ancient past. This archipelago of around 70 islands, of which only 20 are inhabited, is a canvas of rich history and spectacular natural beauty. The heart of Neolithic Orkney is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, home to some of the most well-preserved prehistoric sites in Europe, including the mystical standing stones of Stenness and the Ring of Brodgar, and the remarkably intact stone village of Scarabray. The Orkney's landscape is a patchwork of rugged cliffs, rolling hills, and serene beaches, offering habitats to a diverse range of wildlife. The island's history is also marked by their strategic importance during both World Wars, with remnants of this past still visible today. Loch Lomond and the Trossachs National Park. Loch Lomond and the Trossachs National Park is Scotland's first national park, a testament to the country's awe-inspiring natural beauty. Spanning across 720 square miles, the park encapsulates the best of Scottish landscapes from the iconic Loch Lomond, Britain's largest freshwater expanse, to the wild Trossachs, often described as the Highlands in miniature. The area is a patchwork of wooded glens, tranquil lochs, and towering peaks, providing a habitat for an array of wildlife. It's a paradise for outdoor enthusiasts, offering myriad trails for hiking, cycling paths, and waters for kayaking and fishing. The park also plays host to charming villages where local traditions and hospitality invite visitors to slow down and immerse in the serene beauty of the Highlands. Cairngorms National Park. The Cairngorms National Park is an epic expanse of natural wilderness in the heart of the Scottish Highlands, embodying the raw, unspoiled beauty of Scotland. Covering over 1,748 square miles, it's not only Britain's largest national park, but also one of the most diverse in terms of landscapes and wildlife. Its heart is the Cairngorms mountain range, with 5 of the UK's 6 highest mountains, offering formidable challenges for climbers and hikers. The park's vast forests, heather-clad moorlands, and crystal-clear rivers and lochs are home to some of Britain's rarest creatures, including golden eagles, Scottish wildcats, and red squirrels. Winter transforms the park into a snow sports destination, while summer invites exploration of its vast trails, whether on foot, bike, or even on a steam train through the Speyside region, famous for its whiskey distilleries. Glasgow Cathedral. Glasgow Cathedral, a magnificent example of Scottish Gothic architecture, stands as a silent witness to centuries of history. Also known as St. Mungo's Cathedral, after the patron saint of Glasgow, it is the only medieval cathedral on Scotland's mainland to survive the Reformation almost entirely intact. Its dark, imposing exterior belies a serene interior, illuminated by stained glass windows that cast ethereal light on the stone columns and ancient carving. Surrounding the cathedral is the atmospheric Glasgow necropolis, a Victorian cemetery full of ornate tombs and monuments, overlooking the city like a silent guardian. If you've enjoyed this journey through the heart of Scotland, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications to join us for more adventures around the world.